So, you've seen those ads everywhere. Get paid to watch Netflix? Sounds like the dream, right? WatcherJobs.com promises up to $40 an hour just for binge watching your favorite shows. But is it legit, or is it just another scam trying to steal your time, your money, and maybe even your identity? Let's break it down. First red flag, the pay. $12 to $40 an hour just to watch Netflix? If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Real Netflix tagger jobs exist, but they're super rare, super competitive, and only listed on the official Netflix careers page. Trust me, Netflix is not secretly hiring random folks through sketchy websites. Second, the way the site works. WatcherJobs.com lets you earn money by doing simple tasks, like reviewing content. But when you try to cash out, suddenly you have to pay a fee, buy training, or unlock your earnings. This is what we call a classic task scam, or advance fee scam. You'll never see a dime. Third, the brand name drop. Scammers love using big names like Netflix to earn your trust, but Netflix has nothing to do with these sites. And the worst part? They're after more than just your time. The application process is designed to get your sensitive info, like your social security number or bank details. That's identity theft territory. Here's my advice. If a job ever asks you to pay for training, equipment, or anything before you get paid, run. And always double-check where a job listing is coming from. If it's not on Netflix's official careers page, it's not real. Bottom line, WatcherJobs.com is a scam. Save your time, your money, and your personal info.